What's up guys, today's video's on the top 5 best telescopes 2022, that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research. If you would like to see more details on these products and the updated prices, please check out the description below and be sure to subscribe to get more reviews. Okay, let's get started with the video. Number 5. This great package from Celestron features a 5-inch, 127mm, aperture telescope at a competitive price, making it perfect for those hunting for an instrument that allows the skywatcher to dabble in observing the solar system and deep sky targets without investing a great amount of money. The Celestron PowerSeeker 127EQ comes with two eyepieces, a 20mm and 4mm, which work with the optical system to produce magnifications of 50x and 250x. There's also a 3x Barlow lens for tripling the magnification on the eyepieces, though truth be told it really isn't needed. The maximum magnification that the telescope is able to achieve is 300x, so using the Barlow with the 4mm eyepiece, for example, causes images to become blurred. Budget telescopes offer a way in for astronomer newbies and the uninitiated stargazers, but are known for their high-quality optics. So it's important to bear in mind the PowerSeeker 127EQ's optical limits when purchasing custom eyepieces and Barlow lenses. Skywatchers will need to be comfortable with using an equatorial mount, the slow motion controls and have polar aligning know-how before considering the PowerSeeker 127EQ. Once they are, this reflector serves as a reliable instrument for observing, and more so if the observer collimates the mirrors regularly. Once this is achieved, the optical system offers impressive celestial sights. This telescope is very cost-effective, and because of its inexpensiveness, it's hard to criticize it for its weaknesses. With that in mind, one thing that does stand out, and it's the aluminum tripod, which can feel a little shaky when operating the manual equatorial mount. Having said that, this is still a good choice of telescope. Number 4. Purchasing a beginner or child starter telescope, many consumers don't want to spend a lot. The SkyRaiz telescope is an affordable option, but it features a 70mm aperture, 400mm focal length, 40x maximum magnification, and two eyepieces, 10mm and 25mm. The 25mm eyepiece provides a lower 16x magnification. The refracting telescope, which sits in an alt-azimuth tripod, also comes with a 3x Barlow lens that extends the focal length of the telescope to increase its magnification ability. When the Barlow lens is installed, the focal length increases to 476mm, giving the telescope a maximum magnification of 48x, 10mm, or 19x, 25mm. The telescope also has a smartphone adapter with a wireless camera remote, so you don't have to be near your phone or the telescope to capture images. Number 3. You would be hard-pressed to find another telescope that offers the same amount of bang for your buck as the SkyRaiz Z90600. This refractor telescope features a 90mm, 3.5-inch, aperture, 600mm, 23.6-inch, focal length, 120x maximum magnification, and 3 replaceable eyepieces, 5mm, 10mm, and 25mm. The SkyRaiz Z90600's anti-reflection fully coated blue film components improve light transmission and ensure views are clean and crisp. In addition to the 3 replaceable eyepieces mentioned above, the SkyRaiz Z90600 also comes with a 3x Barlow lens that triples the magnifying power of each eyepiece and a full-size alt-azimuth aluminum tripod that supports multiple heights and viewing positions. Rounding out the SkyRaiz Z90600's long list of exceptional features is the fact that it's fairly easy to set up and use straight away. This telescope is also fairly lightweight, meaning that if you don't particularly like your current stargazing station, you can easily pack up and move somewhere else. Number 2. Celestron's range of NexStar telescopes has a well-deserved reputation for great optics, user-friendly assembly and a plethora of features, and the Celestron NexStar 6 SE exemplifies all of these. The 5.91-inch, 150mm, Aperture is a step up from the MeetStar Navigator and 114 in terms of light-gathering prowess, while the more than 40,000 astronomical objects in the NexStar Plus hand controllers database mean you'll never run out of new targets to seek. However, skywatchers should be mindful that extra eyepieces will need to be added to capture them, and, even then, the aperture won't show all targets listed in the database in great amounts detail. The NexStar 6 SE offers a tour mode, where the telescope will guide you to carefully chosen targets, whether in a particular constellation or across the sky, a fantastic feature if you can't decide which objects to observe or want to explore night sky treasures you've never seen before. The SkyAlign technology, which is a breeze to use, gets you pointed in the right direction fast, while the motorized mount has 9 slewing speeds as well as sidereal, solar and lunar tracking rates. Be warned though, with such impressive technology, the NexStar 6 SE drains batteries quickly, so we recommend powering the setup with an external power source. Imagers may initially be displeased with its slow f/10 focal ratio, limiting the NexStar 6 SE to being a planetary or lunar imager at best, but there is the facility for more advanced users to switch out the secondary mirror for their camera, with the smaller light path increasing the focal ratio to an astrophotography-friendly f/2. Number 1. The Celestron NexStar 8 SE is a powerful Schmidt-Cassegrain telescope that features a wide, 203mm aperture, a long 2032mm focal length, multi-coated optics, and up to 81x magnification, all of which allow users to observe everything from the moon and planets to deep space objects like faraway stars and distant galaxies with crystal clarity. Along with its premium optics, the NexStar 8 SE comes with an abundance of features to get the most out of your home stargazing experience, including a fully automated go-to mount that can automatically locate and track more than 40,000 celestial objects. It also features Celestron's proprietary SkyAlign technology, which gets the telescope set up and ready to observe the stars in a matter of minutes. Though this telescope is perfect for placing in your backyard and viewing the night sky, the NexStar 8 SE's easy-to-break-down design makes it simple to take apart and store, or, if need be, transport to another location. The NexStar 8 SE is both larger and costlier than its sibling, the NexStar 6 SE, but the sizable difference in light capturing ability give it an edge in terms of optical performance. If you're looking for a great telescope to use at the home, almost any of the NexStar series telescopes will do. However, if you're looking for the absolute best telescope overall, then you should consider the NexStar 8 SE. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.